বিসমিল্লাহির রহমানির রহিম। প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা, তোমরা যারা শিওর এ প্লাস বই থেকে রাজা রবার্ট ব্রুচ এর ব্যর্থতা থেকে সফলতা অর্জনের গল্পটি শিখতে যাচ্ছ, তাদের জন্য আমি উচ্চারণ বলে দিচ্ছি। আশা করি ইনশাল্লাহ তোমাদের উচ্চারণ সমস্যা থাকবে না। চলো তাহলে আমরা শুরু করি। ফেইলর ইজ দ্য পিলার অফ সাকসেস or perseverance brings success. Robert Bruce was a famous king of Scotland. He ruled over the country with good name and fame. His army was defeated for 6 times against his enemies. At last, he lost his kingdom. He fled away to save his life. He took shelter in a cave. He was in a sad mood. One day, the king was lying in the cave and thinking about how he could get back his kingdom. Suddenly, he noticed a spider trying to reach the ceiling of the cave. It failed 6 times and became successful in the 7th attempt. This sight inspired Robert Bruce very much. He gathered an army of strong men and attacked his enemies. At last, he defeated them and got back his kingdom.